All right, so July 19th, getting ready to head out to Canada and the UP on a motorcycle trip. So just going to show you my luggage real quick. We got the Velmachi 40 or 50 liter duffel or whatever the heck it is right there, fully loaded. I've got a tent, sleeping bag, some clothes, sleeping pad, pillow, like tiny little pillow, water filter, sleeping pad, like a sweatshirt type thing, a Patagonia little thing in there. Probably some other stuff too. Because for some reason I can't remember what's all in here. This bag is pretty sweet. I also have a stove, fire kit. Other than that, actually, yeah. So tent, tripod for fire, sleeping bag, some clothes, stove, sleeping pad, sleeping pillow, camp towel, water filter. Right here, backpack. This is gonna go on top of this. Basically got some food, some freeze-dried meals. Got the helmet here. Got to clean the visor and put the pin lock back in. Got some awesome fuel Moto gloves there. And then got the camera and my helmet mount for the camera. Tascam DR-05. This camera can go in this thing. Got battery and other crap in there. Some fuel. We already have other fuel. Out here, we got the bike. Got the FJ getting set up here. I got the Puig windscreen on there right now. That's actually coming off. Unfortunately, as awesome as this thing looks, it does still buff it into my helmet. It's like coming right at the base of my helmet when it's all the way down. And then I got a custom little piece of like plexiglass here. That way I can shift my luggage back over and it supports it and it doesn't cover the tail light. Then I made a custom mount for my Pelican case and got some more camp supplies in there, first aid kit, and another freeze-dried meal. Could probably put a little more stuff in there, but I don't really need it, and I wish I could not take a backpack, but it's gonna kind of be nice because I still got to put my water bladder in there and a water bottle and who knows what else, what other crap I'm not gonna want to carry on my person or in my jacket. And it is hot as balls out right now. It's freaking insane. It's so humid. Anyways, so yeah, getting set up. Also, camp chair will go on there. These are the straps for the Velmachi duffel, and then the backpack just gets some rock straps put on top. Strap the seat or the chair right there. Rock straps go over to hold the backpack down. The Velmachi duffel fits on these awesome tie-down points that the FJ has. All over the place. Got the Black Widow exhaust on there. That's sounding good still. Fly tape, and that's my new truck. So anyways, just a day before update, getting ready. Somebody's riding by on a sweet Kawasaki over there. Before I leave, and then yeah, hopefully get some footage of this Canada trip. We're heading straight up north into Michigan, be around Petoskey the first night, then head up into Canada, go to the Gawa Bay area for a few days, then head back down into the UP, kind of in the middle of the UP, a little to the west, I think. I forget the national forest we'll be at, but be there for a few days, riding around, exploring, camping. So it should be good. Going with 3 other buddies, Luke and Amos and their dad Ron. Ron's going to be riding a Triumph Scrambler, Luke's going to be riding a Triumph Scrambler, and Amos is riding XR650 Honda. And then I'll be on this FJ09. So, yeah, I'm going to take this Puig screen off and put the stock one back on. They're both super dirty right now. But at this height, I cut it down, sanded it, and it's a good height where it keeps the wind off your chest and keeps your head and helmet in clean air. So anyways, yeah, heading out tomorrow morning at 6 and should be awesome. But look at that truck. All right, well, it's about 5:45 and bike is packed, but we just had some rain come through. I'm waiting for it to settle down a little bit, and before I meet up with Ron and Amos and Luke, looks like we might be we're gonna be headed back north, and that's where most of the rain is. So it might be a wet start to the trip, but we'll see. We shall see. Well, made it to the Adams compound. Bike's loaded up. It was a little wet. And we got all the bikes in the garage here. We got Amy here. No shoes, no shirt, no service. Head on in here, see what the chef's cooking.
Some bacon and
Some bacon and eggs. Kimber and Luke. Adams compound. There's Ron. Finishing up his eggies. Oh man, what a morn.
We're gonna get out of here.
Here soon. Doggone. You got all your luggage packed up here? Huh there, boys? Yeah, it was pouring when I sent that text.
Hey, what?
Ooh, chain wax?
I'm pretty good. I mean, I wanted to probably about 3 days.
I didn't know what you said. Little wax?
What'd you say?
Men wax?
All right,
Like this?
we just ate
Yeah.
a fat belly deli. Ron's got his pouch. Luke's got his fat belly. Putting on rain gear. Heading into the perfect storm. Yeah. Yep, time to go before we get rained
I
on.
think that's our break.
All right, we're 34 miles from Petoskey destination. It's been raining like crazy. Everybody's soaked. Amos is in his gorilla suit. Shoes are sopping filled with buckets of water. But we're still gonna camp in a hotel. And it's gonna be nice. All in northern Michigan is just rain, rain, rain. But they're still selling popcorn and cotton candy. Lots of gear laying out in this room. Day 2. This is what we look like. Amos is over there asleep. And we got a nice fake fire here.
Oh, morning fire. We got up for this morning and get the campfire going.
Yep. And these hair dryers have been going for what? When do you think we turn those on?
Pretty much, I'd say from 6 on.
So over 12 hours.
Oh, they've been running straight for 12 hours.
Yeah. So decent hair dryers here at Boyne Mountain. If you ever need to run them for.
You gave us an extra one.
Yeah. 2 hair dryers, 12 plus hours. And lots of dry and semi-dry gear.
Now we got 4 dry boots.
Heading up to the tunnel of trees. Packing up, leaving Boyne Mountain. Yeah, this place is. I wish I would have gone back there this morning. It looked like there was a bunch of like clouds and mist coming off the mountain, the backside. You could see it from up from the front though. Pack up all your little food knickknacks now.
Can you tell I like snacks at all?
Puddle. Sharp lefty. biker gang. Slowing down. Got a biker up here. Peddler. Yeah. Man. Sand. right, bye.